Morning. Welcome or welcome back to this channel where every morning 5 o'clock Jamaica time you can listen to the Jamaican New Testament. Yeah man, God talk to you in a film own language. I mean MARIAN MILLEN. And if you want to know more about me, just check the description box down below. And if you not do this yet, just subscribe to this channel so every morning, just as the reading drops up, you can get the same time. And you can share it with your family and your friend and just about everybody so that them too can hear God talk to them in a few own language. Yeah, man.
A God word this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
So today I'm going to read to you from the book of Luke. Luke chapter 10 from verse 13 to verse 16. And it says, "Trouble for you, Chorazin. Trouble for you, Bethsaida. If the people them will live in a Tyre and Sidon did see the miracle them when me the monks uno, them would have sorry for them wrong and change them ways long time. Them would have sit down in a ashes and wear crocus bag for sure say them mean it. It a got easier for Tyre and Sidon pan judgment day than for uno. Like a you, Capernaum, you think say God a go lift you up, go in a heaven and honor you? No, Him a go fling you down a hell. Fit down what Him a say. Jesus said to Him 72 follower them, anybody will listen to uno, listen to me. Anybody will turn them back on uno, turn them back on me. Them will turn them back on me, turn them back on the one will send me. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.